Hello students, now I am starting with the mensuration part. Write circular cone. First one, if the area of lateral surface of a cone is twice the area of its base, then the ratio of height and diameter is given options. Okay, now what is told? Area of lateral surface area. You know lateral surface area formula pi r l. Clear? L is slant height. This is the cone. This is the cone, and this is the vertical height. This is the radius, and this is the slant height. This is L, this is H, and this is R. Here it is given lateral surface area, means according to the problem pi RL. Pi RL equals to given twice the area of its base. Base is circle, so area will be pi r square. Now from both sides we can cancel pi and 1 r will be cancelled out. So it is coming L equals to 2 r. Now you know from here the relation between L, H and R. This is a right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. So L square equals to what we can write? H square plus R square. We know. So L equals to root over H square plus R square equals to 2R. Now squaring both sides. That means H square plus R square equals to 4R square. Therefore H square is coming 4R square minus R square means 3R square. Therefore H is root over 3 into R. Now what to calculate? Ratio of height and diameter. From here what we have got? H by R equals to root over 3 by 1. But you have to find out ratio of height and diameter. Diameter means 2R. Therefore H by 2R, ratio of height and diameter, and this side also you multiply denominator by 2. Clear? So it is coming root over 3 is to 2. Here option given D. Option D. Root over 3 is to 2. Option D. Now next one. If the ratio of the volumes of two right circular cones is 16 is to 27 and the ratio of their radii is 2 is to 3, then the ratio of their height is, you have to calculate. Okay, since there are two separate cone, so I am taking radius of one cone R1 and another cone R2. Here what is given? Ratio of the volumes. What is the formula of volume of cone? You know formula of volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Clear? 1/3 pi r square h. Now there are two separate cones. So radius of one cone will take R1 and another cone R2. Height of one cone will take H1 and another cone H2. So according to the problem, ratio of volumes of two right circular cones, that means 1/3 pi R1 square H1 by 1/3 pi R2 square H2 given. It is given 16 by 27. Now this will be cancelled out. 1/3 pi will be cancelled out, and here we can write this means R1 by R2 whole square into H1 by H2 equals to 16 by 27. Here ratio of radii given, that means R1 by R2 given. So from here what we can write? R1 by R2 means 2 by 3 whole square into h1 by h2 equals to 16 by 27. Therefore h1 by h2 coming 16 by 27, and you will divide this by 4 by 9. That means it will be 9 by 4. The cancellation, it is coming 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. Here option is given B. It will be the correct answer, option B. Now next one. The height and slant height of a cone is 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter. Height and slant height given. Then the diameter of the base is you have to calculate. So what is the relation between height and slant height? Height is denoted, always height is denoted by 8, and slant height is denoted by L, and radius is denoted by R. And relation between them, you know, L square equal to h square plus r square. We will apply that one. Number 3. Here height and slant height of a cone. Height means h given 15 centimeter. Slant height means L given 17 centimeter. You have to calculate diameter 2r. Diameter means 2r, you have to calculate. We know that L square equal to h square plus r square. This is the relation between slant height, vertical height and radius. Here L is given 17, so this is 17 whole square equals to h is given 15, 15 whole square plus r square, or from here r square means 17 whole square minus 15 whole square. So it is coming, here I am applying a square minus b square formula. It will be easier for calculation. A plus b into a minus b. 17 plus 15 means 32, and here 2, that is 64 square centimeter. Therefore r will be root over of that is r is coming 8 centimeter. Now what to calculate? You have to calculate diameter. Diameter means 2r. So 2 into 8 centimeter, that means 16 centimeter. Your option is, correct option is D. Now number 4. In number 4, if the diameter of the base of cone is r unit, be careful here. Diameter of the base of cone is r unit. That means radius is not r here. Radius will be r by 2. Why? As the diameter is r. So radius will be r by 2. And slant height is given 2L unit. Then the area of the whole surface, there are given the options. Now see. Number 4. Here diameter is r unit. Clear? So radius will be r by 2. You have to be careful here. R by 2. And slant height they have told that it is 2L unit. Clear? And what is the formula of area of whole surface? Area of whole surface formula you know. Area of whole surface is pi r square plus pi r L square unit. Now here r means r by 2. So pi r by 2 whole square plus pi r by 2, and L means 2L as they have told here. Now open the bracket, pi r square by 4 plus 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, pi r L. Now from here what we can take common? We can take common pi r. Pi r take common, so it is coming from here L plus from here r we have taken common, r by 4 square unit. The option is there. This will be the option. Pi r L plus r by 4 square unit. That means option B. This is the option. Next one. 5. Area of base of a cone is A. Height is given capital H and volume given capital V. Then the value of V by AH. Okay. V by AH. Number 5. V is volume. A is area. So area of base A means pi r square and V means volume. Here volume we know, formula 1 by 3 pi r square. Here H is given capital H. That's why I am writing here capital H. Clear? And height H equals to, they have given capital H. What to calculate? You have to calculate V by AH. V is 1 by 3 pi r square capital H and area means pi r square. Pi r square means area of base into H. Now cancel H, r square cancel, pi you cancel. It is coming 1 by 3. Options are there. 1 by 3. You will see options are there. So first option, that is the option A. This is the answer. 1 by 3. This is the MCQ part from right circular cone. Next day I will show you the MCQ part from mensuration, that means the chapter of sphere and algebra part. Okay, bye.